My projects are often about integrating modules, and that can make using KiCAD to design a PCB scary. There are easy ways to create symbols and footprints that can get you through though. Using my Advent calendar project, let me show you how. Hi, I'm John, your concierge to the world of the Raspberry Pi Pico, Pico 2, Robotics, IoT and other fun tech. Remember to subscribe and join the community. This is my 3-minute summary for the Advent Calendar PCB, which is really all about using modules in KiCAD. If you have time, why not check out the full video? The project uses several modules, including the screen, a real-time clock, and a level shifter. To use these in KiCAD, we will need symbols and footprints for them. For the screen, I can use a DuPont male connector. But to make that easy to use, I'll edit the symbol and rename the 12 pins to the functions for those pins. For the logic level shifter, I do need to produce a custom symbol and footprint. I'll just copy an existing symbol and edit it though. Starting with the 4-pin connector, I can build out the new symbol, naming the pins. Then for the footprint, I'll do the same, copy an existing connector. Here though, size is key. So I'll create a rectangle of the component size as a guide. And then when I lay out all of the pins, I can then measure the separations to make sure they're perfect. As a final check, I'll print out the footprint on paper and push the module through the paper so I can see exactly how the pins line up with the footprint. Using my new symbol and footprint, I can complete the PCB design and had it fabricated. I also used the PCB 3D importer in Blender to transfer the KiCAD PCB design into Blender. That made it much easier for me to design the case for this project. If you like this video and it helps your learning or projects, why not drop me a cash tip using the super thanks button below the video or the other payment methods in the description. Remember, I'm saving these up to get myself to open source in San Francisco next year with the other makers, and I'd appreciate your help in getting me there, and I hope to see you there too. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then please hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video. Bye bye for now.